So after design your WordPress site, how to adding for your social media icons? There will be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. First of all, select your WordPress dashboard. Option call is appearance. Click for customize. Any theme will be support two type of icons, header menu and social menu. The option call is menu. Here option call is create new menu. Why? They are adding only for primary menu. I'm not adding for social menu. Create menu. What option call is social menu. Social menu. Add. Click for next. After adding, we can add by each and every social icon by manually. Add item. Go to custom link. Select your Facebook. Copy the URL. Paste it. Add menu. Next one. Twitter. Copy. Copy the URL. Next one. Instagram. Copy the URL. Next one. Copy the URL. Add the last one is YouTube. I'm adding for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So what are the position required? You can change your position also. Finally, click for publish. Based on requirement, based on the theme, the option will be added on your website. So, preview any social icons are there. I can refresh. Where they can add and check this one. Footer no. Now check a header. See this. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This option call is to add by maximum you can add by 5 icons, not more than 5. One is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Suppose LinkedIn will be not used, you can add by the your any kind of blog options. But mostly adding for 4 will be common. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. If you use any kind of professional company, add by LinkedIn. This 5 you can use by your social media icons. Recently added by one option is called coming to market, that is called WhatsApp live chat icon. WhatsApp live chat icon. But there is a depend on your option to add your live chat icon. So this is called add your social media icons, particular WordPress.